Hello, welcome to another video. This right here is, I hope I have it the right side up. This is a tower I ordered. The reason why I ordered this is to plant my strawberries in it. Because I have some nice strawberry plants, but the animals and the slugs and stuff has been getting to it. So let me order them. No, I don't think I need to do this. But I ordered 2 of them, and I ordered them in green. So when I open the next box, I'm gonna show you guys what's going on with them. So stay tuned. Okay, this is what one of them look like. Let me give you a full view. So what I'm planning to do is strawberries. You also could do herbs. So instead of doing 2 separate ones, I think I'll do 1 tall one. But in order to do that, if you look down in the middle, there's a hole and it's going straight down. I think I would need a pole. So I don't know what kind of pole I'm gonna use. I might have to go to the hardware store and get a pole. So let me stack the other one on top and show you guys what it's gonna look like. Stay tuned. Alright, this is what it looks like with both of them, which is perfect. I love it, but I'm really and truly gonna need something to go straight down in the middle of this to hold everything together, just in case I have a little wind or whatever. It'll keep it stable. So stay tuned, and if I find something, I'll let you guys know. So just stay tuned. Okay, I was looking for something, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make 2 out of it, and I'm gonna make 1 for herbs and the other one for the strawberries, and I will keep them over here. Yeah, I'm planning to keep them right here on the outdoor porch. I'm gonna power wash this thing and redo it in the summertime when it gets warmer. So stay tuned.
I'm putting in the hard work, and hard workers deserve all their props and perks. I'm putting in the hard